Hey planners, welcome back to the channel Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for hopping on another fun planner video with me today. So today's video, I wanted to share this limited edition holiday box, All the Jingle Ladies. It is so cute. It is by Rongrong. So if you guys want to check out an unboxing, then keep on watching. So welcome back planners, thanks for stopping by. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional. So I definitely wanted to share this unboxing. You may have seen this already, but I really wanted to see this in person and share an unboxing and just share with you my reaction. So this was sent to me. It's kind of like a cute holiday gift, and I just wanted to share all the goodies. So if you haven't seen this, then this is going to be so fun for you to watch. I will have links down below for you to check out this box if you'd like to grab it. So let's go ahead and get open. I know I'm going to save this box because it's adorable. So again, it is a limited edition holiday box, and I'm totally going to save it. It's so cute. It says All the Jingle Ladies, and I love all the illustration work. So if you don't know about Rongrong, she is an artist, and she illustrates all, she hand draws all her illustrations. And she started in the fashion industry, and now she's in the planner world, which is awesome. So I wanted to share this because it's so cute. Okay, I did sneak peek already because I just could not wait. I got this over Christmas break. So if you guys are watching this now, Christmas is probably over, so I hope you had a great Christmas. What I'm gonna do is take everything out of the box and we'll get into it. Look how cute the inside of the lining of this box. I know, only planner people do this. It's ridiculous, but this is so cute. You could totally save this to store some extra things in your office space, and then it could be decorative at the same time. So that's probably what I'm gonna do because this is just too cute not to recycle. I mean, this is so pretty. I love the print on that. So this is everything in the box. Probably should take the packaging off as well. So we actually get a cover that matches the outside of that box. That is so cute. Okay, I've seen a glimpse of these things like on an IG Live, but gonna order some of these things on Black Friday, but I was just going crazy with shopping, and then I had to focus on my own family shopping because I can tell you a couple things in here that were my favorite that I was eyeing, and I'll share that in a minute. So I think what I should do is take everything out of the package and then we can get into it. So I opened everything out of the packaging, and I'm super excited to share this with you all. So a lot of fun goodies, a lot of great new fun planner goodies and accessories. So I can tell you off the bat that the sticker book was something that I was eyeing and that I totally wanted to pick up because it was a whole new design collection and it wasn't the one that I have currently. So this one says Holiday Cheer, and it's planner sticker pack of 12 sheets, and they're all, again, hand illustrated stickers. Super cute. My favorite is the color palette. Like, I love the purple tones with the greens and pinks. So pretty. And this is kind of set up like her other sticker books that came out for the seasons. So we have some full illustrated boxes with some quarter boxes here, or half boxes, sorry, and then a larger box down here. These are all paper, but they're like soft, I would say semi-matte. They're really nice and soft. And then we have this sticker page here with some note full boxes, vertical full boxes with some deco, and then we have this horizontal illustration box here with all the girls, all the Jingle Ladies. That's so cute. And we have these habit trackers, and then some more boxes here. Again, these are paper. We have some more like horizontal border stickers, some flags, trackers, and then half boxes. I love the color, it's just so bright. And then we have some nice headers here. So holiday party, goals this week, important, goals this month, today, and holiday party. We have these fun circle stickers with the girls, naughty and nice. I love it. So those are your paper stickers. And now you have your clear stickers with the illustration girls. I love this one with the confetti popping out. That is so fun. Then we have these sets of girls, and there's a lot of diversity in these stickers. And then we have this one. I think she's kind of named the girls here, like a party planner, maybe a gift giver, and then this is her book lover or something like that. Casual, cozy, I don't know, something like that. You guys definitely should check out her Instagram. She also has a private Facebook group, Rongrong Art Fans, I believe it's called. You just have to hit her bio link to join the Facebook group, which I'm a part of. And she, you know, posts every day and keeps you interactive. It's really fun. Okay, so here are your like element Christmas stickers, which are cute. I love the pink. The pink and green is just so fun. And you can totally use these for New Year's. Oh, look at the cactus. That's so fun. Got some quotes in there. Perfect. I like when you get a variety of quotes and deco, especially seasonal. Super fun. I love the sticker pack. So this was one of the items I was gonna pick up because it was just new illustrations from Rongrong, because I have a bunch of her stuff from when she collabed with Happy Planner. So I love that. And then you get a awesome cover. And of course, again, all this is limited edition. So if you didn't receive this or buy it, definitely, like, again, follow her on her platforms. That way, maybe if she has a sale, you can pick one up before they're all gone. But look at the inside of this. This is so cute. I love all the presents. Again, the color palette is so good. And then on the front, it has like this gold foiling. It says all the Jingle ladies. I love it. And this is the back. That same confetti. The girl, that I love that. So this is super fun. And this is pretty thick. This is really good quality. This is a really thick cover. So if you use the disc bound system, you would love that for the holidays. Okay. The other thing, so I was definitely eyeing for the sticker pack, the cover, and then this purple washi. Is it this one? I think it's this one. Because I love the purple color with, again, with all these fun greens and pinks. This one has like foiling to the bottom of it. Like a line of gold foiling, and then there's some quotes in there with the foiling. It just has a lot of cute of her illustration artwork, which is so nice. So I'll swatch that here in a second. But that is gorgeous. And then this one has gold foiling with polka dots. Okay, here's this one. This has all the girls, the illustration girls with the gold foiling, polka dots. I think that's really pretty. And then you could like cut these out individually. How fun is that? Okay, I have to swatch that out later. Cool. And then the other two things I was looking at was the pen and the sticky notes, because I love sticky notes. And this pen was really cute because it says Santa's favorite. And I've been loving collecting a lot of the holiday pens. Wanted to pick this up. So the cap is very sturdy. As you can see there, that's not gonna come off in your planner bag. It's very sturdy. But it's got like this pale pink with rose gold detail to it. Even the bottom, and it's pretty weighted. And then it's a point. It's a ballpoint pen, or maybe it's a gel, but we'll have to test this out too. The sticky notes were something that I was looking at. They're so cute. So these are all individual, like header stickers, and then you get the standard like post-it square sticky notes, and you get this longer checklist. But how cute is this? Again, I loved it because of the color palette. So fun. Yay. Yeah, so it's a gel point pen. So it could be a 5 or 7, it looks like. But look at all these sticky notes you get. So this says, do now, self-care, shopping list, remember, day-to-day planning. I really like that. These are adorable. The red and green is just perfect for Christmas, and I love her right there. You also have this checklist with the dotted lines, so that's great. Oh, the back is super cute. Okay, then you get some note paper. Now, normally I'm not a fan of colored paper, but this is really light, and it's an exception when it's like seasonal things, but normally I just prefer white colored paper, but I like the fact that you can actually see the lines here, so it shows up really well on this like light purple color. And they're just so cute at the bottom. So you have plenty of space to write, and then you have your graphics at the bottom, and then it's pretty much blank on the back for you. So I'm assuming you get like 20 or 25 sheets of paper. Okay, and lastly, you get this magnetic board. So this is like a dry erase board, but it's magnetic, so you can put it on your fridge. Unfortunately, my fridge is super weird. It's not magnetized at all. Yeah, so when I went to go stick some things on there, it just completely fell. But I think this is a cute idea, especially for the holidays. You know, it gives you that festive look in your kitchen, so you can plan out your meals and then have your just top things that you need to get for your groceries. It's not an entirely long list for you, but maybe it's some things that you're out of and you can put that there. But that's really cute. I love this down here. So maybe I'll pass this along to someone as a gift, because my fridge does not magnetize. But everything else is just so super cute. The paper, the cute pen. Like, my top favorite was the pen, the sticky notes, the washi, the stickers, and the cover. But you also get a cute keychain, which I love putting these on my planner bags because they're super cute. This one's got like a holographic to it. It's so cute. It's the confetti chick. But I love everything. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the washi for you guys. Okay, so here's the washi swatched out. You can see how bright the color looks on the white paper. It is so pretty. And of course the pink one is more horizontal. Vertical, sorry. And it's the illustrations of the different girls. So I love it. I love the purple and the pink. The color, again, looks so good together. So that is everything that came in the limited edition holiday box. All the Jingle ladies. I think that's adorable. And everything is so cute. Love the detail of everything. So cute. So really quickly, I also received the planner. I'm not going to share an entire flip through of her new I Can and I Will 2022 planner. I'm going to share this in another video because I think it deserves its own flip through. But this planner is so gorgeous in person. I am just impressed with the quality of this planner. She talks about it a lot on her Instagram, and I was just like, wow, this planner is gorgeous. So I'm going to share this in another video, so make sure you subscribe if you guys want to check that out, but it's just so pretty. So I'm super excited about all the goodies, and I can't wait to play with these, and especially this pen. It's really fun. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this a like and subscribe if you already haven't, and I will see you on my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.